Good morning, student. Today's our topic is complement fixation test. First of all, what is complement fixation test? The complement fixation test is detect the antibody in the patient's serum. It detects the patient's serum containing antibody or not, which is specific for a specific antigen. So in this complement fixation test, we use specific antigen to identify the antibody are containing the serum or not. Now, what is complement and what is the work of complement? Complement is one type of protein. When there is the complement is included in any process, there is something destruction, destroy or lysis occurs, and only the complement is fixed when there is antigen-antibody complex. If there is individual antigen, the complement will not fixed. If there is individual antibody, the complement will not fixed. Only when there is antigen-antibody complex, then only the complement will fixed. In the process of complement fixation, there is positive case of antibody and negative case of antibody. What is the meaning of positive case of antibody? Person has infected. At that time, the immune system activate and produce antibody against that infectious antigen. And in the negative case of antibody, the persons have no infection, then the immune system did not activate it and antibodies are not produced. There are two systems. First is test system and another is indicator system. In the test system, the test sample is used. But in the indicator system, it indicates that the antigen-antibody complex are formed or not in the test system. Now, in the positive case of antibody, there is antigen, complement and antibody which is specific to that antigen. Example, we take herpes virus. The herpes virus is the antigen and the antibodies are against that herpes virus. Now, these three things are added into one tube. The antigen are there and the serum is containing antibody. The antigen-antibody complex is formed and the complement is fixed because it can only fix when there is antigen-antibody complex. Now, when the complement is fixed, it degrades into two components, the small component and the big component. Like there is a C3 complement system. The C3 is degrade into C3A component, which is small component, and C3B component, which is big component. Now, small component, which is this small component, passes the signal to the macrophage for the phagocytosis. Phagocytes for the complement complex and destroy them. Now, in the positive case of antibody, there is an antigen, complement, but there is not antibody. The sample of the patient is not containing antibody. So, the antigen is individual and the complement is there. But there is no antibody. The antigen-antibody complex is not formed. So, the complement is not fixed here. So, in the positive case of antibody, the complement is fixed here. So, there is not any free complement. But in the negative case of antibody, the complement is not fixed, so the complement are freely in the tube. Now there is indicator system. In the indicator system, it indicates that the antigen-antibody complex are formed or not in the test system. Now in this system, we use sheep RBC and emboceptor antibody. Emboceptor antibodies are prepared by injecting the sheep RBC into the rabbit. And emboceptor antibodies are called emboceptor because it has the ability to fix the complement. Now, these two are added into the test system. Now, what happens? So, there is antigen-antibody complex and the complex is there. So, the complement is fixed here. No free complement is there to bind with this complex, which is made up of RBC and emboceptor antibody, RBC of sheep. Now, there is not complement fixation, so there is not any lysis, no destruction, not destroy. So, the no hemolysis is observed. There is two different layers observed of blood and serum. But in the negative case of antibody, there is sheep RBC and emboceptor antibodies are added into the test system, like that positive case of antibody. Now what happens? The complement is fixed to the RBC and emboceptor antibody complex because they are free in this, because there are no antibodies present in the patient, so the antigen will not make the complex with antibody. So the complement is fixed to the FC part of the emboceptor antibody. Now there is the complement is fixed in this, and the lysis of RBCs occur. The sheep RBC lysis is occur. So the hemolysis occur and the whole tubes become red. And what is the discussion about it? Now the complement fixation principle. The principles are included in two steps. First step is test system and another is indicator system. Now in this, if the test system is positive, the antigen antibody complex is formed and then only the complement is fixed to the complex, so there will no free complement is in the tube. What is saying that antigen and the complement and test system containing antibody, these all are in the one tube. Now antigen and antibody complex is formed because it containing antibody, and the complement protein will fixed here because there is antigen antibody complex. No free complement protein is there in this tube. Test serum is positive. When there is test serum is positive. Now if the test serum is negative, the antigen antibody complex will not form. So the complement is not fixed because it will only fixed when there is a complex of antigen and antibody. So the complement remains free in the tube. It means there is antigen, complement and test serum, but there is not containing antibody. The serum is not containing any antibody. So the antigen antibody complex will not form and the complement will not fix and the complement remains free in the tube. Now in the second indicator system, a hemolysis indicator system is added. It consists of sheep RBCs coated with antibody called emboceptor, and these emboceptor antibodies are prepared by injecting them into sheep RBC, injecting the sheep RBC into the rabbit. In first case, if the test system or the serum is positive for the antibody, there is no free complement which will not bind with the emboceptor and no hemolysis occur. If the test system is negative for the antibody, the free complement get fixed with emboceptor and result is hemolysis, which is observed. The full tube is become red.